Hello everyone, I am Omer Ansari from DYP Tech. Today I will explain you remove stopword and applying steaming. Our program aim is consider a suitable text dataset, remove stopwords, apply steaming and feature selection technique to represent document as a vector. Object of this experiment is to implement of a program statement using Python. And the theory is stopword. What is stopword? Stopword is nothing but in computing, stopwords are words which are filtered out before or after processing of natural language data text. Throughout, stopword usually refer to the most common word in a language. There is no single universal list of stopword used by all natural language processing tools. And indeed not all tools even use such a list. Some tools especially avoid removing these stopwords to support phrase search. Here the code to remove stopword with the nltk tool in Python module. The below is a code. Whatever you can see below is a code of remove stopword with the nltk tool in Python module. What is nltk? nltk is a natural language toolkit. nltk is a leading platform for building Python programs to work with human language data. It provides easy to use interface to over 50 corpora and lexical resources such as WordNet along with a suite of text processing library for classification tokenization. Here the code Python code for remove stopword. Here we wrote some library in Python. Here we wrote library from nltk.tokenize import word tokenize, and second is from nltk tokenize import send tokenize, and so on. Here we have a text. Whatever you you send here the text, all work and no play makes Jack dull boy. And one more library, and our language is English language, support English language, and print stopwords. Here the stopwords which we can remove. Stop so many words, and nltk dot download word list equal to word from word in word tokenized text if word not in stopword. These are words from above list. Here the steaming. What is steaming? Second point is our steaming. Steaming is a process of reducing inflected or sometime derived word to their word steam based or root from generally a written word form. The steam need not to identical to be morphological root of the word. There is some heavy word for me. It is usually sufficient that related word map to that same stream. And you can see the text, what complete text in my screen. And above is the code steaming with nltk tool. Again nltk in Python module. Suffix stripping algorithm. Suffix stripping algorithms do not rely on a lookup table that consists of inflected forms and root form relation. Instead, a typically similar list of rules is stored which provide a path for a algorithm given an input word from to find is here the code of streaming. Here we import some libraries according to streaming. Some there is two library imported by the user and the new text. Whatever you streaming, here you have to write the text. It is important to buy very Pythonic. And here we write some text and streamline is a keyword stream word from word in word tokenization. Right, alright. Here is a list of word from new text. You can see the new text above. Here more library imported nltk. nltk is used for stop remove stopword and streaming and etc. ps equal to ports streaming porters. Example word python, pythoner, pythoning, pythoned, pythonly. For w in example word print ps dot steam w python 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 python. Here you can see complete text code of text. And next one is a feature extraction and complete. In machine learning and statics, feature selection, also known as a verbal selection, attribute selection, or variable subset selection, is the process of selecting a subset of relevant feature. It's important, relevant feature, not the relevant feature for use in model construction. And some features according to features extraction, these are 4 5 points to be noted: short running times to avoid the curse of dimensionality and enhance journal by reducing, and some flowchart is architecture is given, and complete flow of the above 5 points can be described using flowchart. Entity detection, relation detection, this. In the last we have a conclusion and conclusion. I'm stopped because you're looking the complete text in your screen. Read you can read the text. Figure shows the architecture for a simple information extraction system. This above architecture is a simple architecture information of extraction system. And there is a conclusion. We have studied to remove stopword.